Hello everyone. In the second session, we want to speak about financial concepts in SAP. SAP Financial Accounting records financial transactions of all movement of goods, services, and all other business transactions between the company and its customer and vendors. SAP FICO are two separate books of accounting, where the SAP FI used for external reporting with balance sheets and profit and loss statements, and SAP CO or controlling for internal reporting purpose. The important submodules of SAP Financial Accounting that we want to learn here are General Ledger, Account Receivable, Account Payables, Bank and Asset Accounting. First concept is chart of account. A chart of account, or in short, COA, is a structure containing the GL accounts used by one or more company codes. At least one chart of accounts must be defined in the SAP system. Here you can see some general ledger accounts. For each general ledger account, the chart of accounts shows the account number, the account name, short text and long text, the account, and the information that determines the function of the account, which can be defined in the next views. There are different types of general ledger account. Balance sheet account is the first one. Balance sheet accounts are used for any kind of assets, liability, and equities. Non-operating expense or income, the second one. This type of expense or income isn't attached to sales as revenue or cost of sales account. The third one, primary cost or revenue. See, primary costs include material cost, personal cost, and, for example, energy cost. They come from a purchase with a external party. The same meaning also applies to primary revenue too. And secondary costs. Secondary costs are typically related to the production overhead cost that stem from cost allocation. And also, I wanted to show you that in configuration, we have defined the number range for each account group. For example, all expense accounts start with number 7. We have created one report also for you. I want to show you it in the system. Here I am in the test client. My username and after that I inserted password. Report is the chart of account. If you run the report without inserting company code, you see chart of account including all account for all company code. But if you insert company code name and after that run the report, you see only accounts that has been assigned to your chart of accounts and related attributes. Go further with the second concept, currency types. In SAP, the currency key is, for example, euro or dollar. The currencies and related information are stored in the system as currency types. The following currency types are available in the system. The first one is transaction currency. For example, here in the SAP, we go to the transaction code FB F-02. It's for this the code is for creating manual journal in the general ledger. Here you can insert currency rate. This is transaction currency. The second one is company code currency. The company code currency is the currency in which the local ledgers are managed in external accounting. In fact, it's the national currency of the company code. And the third one is group currency. The group currency is used as here as well. The group currency is used as the global currency, which allows amounts to be compared in a single currency for all companies in one client. In SAP, there is a transaction code to define the exchange rate between currency codes. For each journal, SAP looks for the latest conversion rate. If the deviation is high, these rates can be inserted even every day, or it can be developed so that it is inserted automatically every day from the central bank site. Otherwise, it can be changed manually if needed. The next definition is fiscal year. A fiscal year is also known as financial year. To separate business transactions into different periods, a fiscal year with posting periods has to be defined in SAP. An accounting period, also known as fiscal year, usually run for 12 months. Each month, not each month equals one period. Each period within a fiscal year is known as posting period. When you post a transaction in the SAP system, each transaction is assigned to a particular posting period. Besides posting periods, SAP also uses a concept known as a special period to manage such activities as period end closing. SAP allows you to divide the last posting period into a special period to facilitate closing operations. In SAP GL accounting, you can have a maximum of 16 periods, including 4 special periods. Note that special periods subdivide the last posting period into one or more closing periods but don't create new posting periods. The last definition or concept is financial statement version, or in short FSV. A financial statement version is a hierarchical arrangement of GL accounts. Here, the accounts can be arranged according to your financial statements or according to uh, your other requirements. You need a FSV or financial statement version for that for this purpose. The first one is to generate financial statement, and the second one can be created for creating various reports that are structured lists of account balances such as trial balance. And finally, as a basis for planning in general ledger accounting, for example, by using balance sheet or income statement. And also, in the financial statement report that you see here, you should insert financial statement version as well. Thank you for watching this video. In our next session, we want to speak about creating manual journal in general ledger. If you have any question, feel free to send us an email. See you next time.